Welcome back to the Southern Keto Cooking Channel, where today we'll be making bacon. Now, I like a number 4 in the picture, but everybody has their own preferences. When cooking bacon, I like to use a good, thick, non-stick cooking pan, and I have one here. I can fit about 4 to 5 slices of bacon in this pan, depending on the size. I have it heating up on a medium-high heat. I'm just going to place my hand over the pan just if I can feel the heat. For me, I know my pan is ready. And today I'll be using a medium thick cut peppercorn bacon from my local grocery store that has been cut in the deli. As you can see here, it's not too thick, but it's not thin. I do prefer a medium thick, too thick cut slice of bacon. Now we're going to take our tongs. I'm just going to heat check my pan with my hand once again. And I'm going to put about 4 slices of bacon in the pan. So my bacon's been cooking on about a medium-high heat for about 4 minutes. So now it's time to flip it. I like to cook my bacon about 4 minutes on each side, maybe a little longer depending on how the pan's heating and the bacon's cooking, but a good standard is 4 minutes per side. Here's just an overhead view of what the bacon looks like cooking in the pan. If any of it's, touching, just give everybody their own space. And if any ends are curling up, just hold them down with your tongs. So my bacon's been cooking. It's had 4 minutes on each side. So now I'm just going to turn it over and check it. And at this point, it's just about ready to be pulled out of the pan. And this is why I flip them over to check them, because you'll see this bottom piece here has not fully cooked the way I would like. So I'm going to remove the other pieces and scoot it more towards the middle so it can get some heat. When removing my bacon from the pan, I like to take a plate and line it with some paper towels. This will help absorb some of the grease from the bacon, and we'll just take the ones that are cooked out, lay them individually on the plate lined with the paper towel, and keep cooking the rest of your bacon. As your bacon rests on the plate, it will continue cooking just a little bit, so you always want to pull your bacon out of the pan right before it's done to your liking. This way you avoid overcooking your bacon. And if you refer back to the first picture in the beginning of the video, I have bacon number 4. And you can see here it's still soft. It does pull apart easy, but it has a little crunch to it, and that's the bacon that I like to eat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.